If you're considering a hair transplant for your pattern baldness but confused with all the information on the internet, then you must watch this video till the end. I'm busting some of the most common myths around this treatment that offers permanent hair regrowth results. Let's get started. Hair transplantation is a painful and high-risk procedure. Not at all. When you choose an experienced hair transplant surgeon who follows FDA-approved protocols and operates in a sterile, high-hygiene environment, the procedure is completely safe and comfortable. Hair transplants are only for men. This is such a common misconception. People often believe women don't lose hair like men do, but that's not true. In today's world, stress, hormonal imbalances, and even autoimmune conditions are causing more and more women to experience hair loss. And here's the best part. Advanced techniques like DHI and FUE work beautifully for female pattern hair loss too. So ladies, if you're struggling with thinning or bald patches, remember, there is a wonderful science-backed solution for you to feel young and look younger. Hair transplant results look fake? Yes, but when you make the wrong choice. The truth is, when your procedure is done by an experienced hair transplant surgeon who is skilled in advanced techniques like DHI and understands your hair pattern, the results look absolutely real, just like your natural hair pattern. Hair transplantation requires lifelong medications. Nope. That's just not true at all. The transplanted hair is DHT resistant, which means it's permanent and doesn't fall off easily. You don't need to rely on medications forever. Of course, factors like aging and stress can affect your non-transplanted hair, for which we suggest maintenance treatments. But remember, it's completely your choice. You can choose to maintain it or not. Either way, your transplanted hair always naturally stays yours. This one's a funny one. Hair transplant surgery can damage your brain. Sounds wild, right? But let me tell you, this is completely false and medically impossible. Hair transplantation is done only on the outermost layer of your scalp. Your brain sits safely beneath the multiple protective layers, including the skull. So there's no contact with brain tissue, no penetration beyond the skin, and zero risk of neurological damage. So if you ever hear someone say that, just smile and remember that's just not how anatomy works. Hair transplant is expensive? It's only for the rich? No, not true at all. Hair transplantation is actually an affordable one-time investment in your confidence. And if you're worried about cost, at Oliva, we have flexible payment options to make it completely pocket-friendly. Hair transplant leaves prominent scars? Well, this used to be true with older techniques like FUT, but today's advanced methods like FUE and DHI have completely changed the game. These are minimally invasive procedures with no visible scars, no long-term recovery, just precise extraction and implantation of the hair follicle. The result, naturally looking hair that blends seamlessly. Nobody will ever guess you had a hair transplant. You can't wear a cap or sleep normally. You can. You just need to wait for a few days. Follow the surgeon's post-care instructions and you can resume your routine. Now that I have cleared the common hair transplantation myths, you can book a consultation with us and begin your hair transplantation journey. The time to feel young and look younger is now.